Hey, what's up everybody? It's your car guy Murph here at Futh Auto Sales in South St. Paul, Minnesota. Today I'm bringing you a 2016 GMC Sierra Denali. What the customer wanted to do with this is he wanted a little better suspension, so we chose to go with our 8-stage adjustable Vortex lifted struts and shocks. We're also doing a NorCal conversion. We're doing rock light kits inside the fender wells, and then we do have to do a NorCal mod to fit the 24 by 14 inch American Force wheels we're putting on it. All right, everybody, so as you can see, we did replace the front struts already. We took out these Fox 2.0 tried and trues, and we beefed them up with a 2.5 inch Vertex Rough Country 8-stage adjustable strut. The strut features a reservoir that holds more oil capacity and also offers more dampening and off-road driving. And then also at the turn of the dial, you can have smooth city riding as well. All right guys, so we just finished the installation of the wheels, the tires, we did the new suspension, we got the rock light kit, and the NorCal's all been completed. If this is something you want to do with us, give us a call at the number listed below. Remember to like, share, and follow us on our social media.